Unlock stunning newsletter designs and slash your content creation time with Beehiiv's powerful pre-built templates. Once you're logged into your Beehiiv account, navigate to the Publish section in the left-hand menu. From there, select Newsletters. You'll see your existing newsletters and at the top, a clear option to create new post. But before we dive into that, let's find the perfect starting point. Look for and click on the Browse Templates button. This opens up the Beehiiv template library, a treasure trove of professionally designed layouts. You can scroll through them or use the categories on the side to filter by style, industry, or purpose, like promotional, educational, or simple announcements. Found one you like? Hover over it to reveal a preview option. Click this to see a larger, more detailed view of how the template is structured. As you can see, these templates come with placeholders for all your essential newsletter component headlines, body text, images, and call to action buttons. When you're ready, click the prominent Use this template button. Now the template is loaded directly into your Beehiiv editor. This is where the magic happens. Simply click on any section to start customizing. You can replace all the placeholder text with your catchy headlines and engaging content. To change an image, just click on it and you'll see options to upload your own images, select from your Beehiiv library, or even use stock photos. To truly make it your own, dive into the styling options. You can easily change fonts, adjust colors to match your brand's identity, and modify spacing to create a visually cohesive look. You can add or remove sections as needed to perfectly fit your message. Once you're happy with your design and content, hit the Preview button to see exactly how your newsletter will look to your subscribers. When you're satisfied, it's time to send it out to your audience. Simply click the Send button and schedule your message for the perfect time. Using Beehiiv templates means professional-looking newsletters are now incredibly fast and easy to create.